Hello and welcome to the Paradigm Shifts channel. In the next few days, we will be posting an unboxing and review video on the groundbreaking SiOnyx Aurora Pro digital night vision camera. This camera I will be using in the future for my nighttime sky watches. Cool to see aliens and Bigfoot and stars and cool stuff. I will place the link of the manufacturer below and talk about some accessories for the camera in the upcoming video. If any of you have a specific question or want something highlighted, please let me know in the comments below as soon as possible so that it can be addressed in the video right on time.